Karbon Accounting Tutorial. Managing an accounting firm has never been simple. Between client communication, deadlines, document collection, and team collaboration, accountants often find themselves buried under emails, spreadsheets, and scattered tools that don't talk to each other. The result is wasted time, missed follow ups, and unnecessary stress during peak seasons. This is where Carbon steps in. Carbon is a collaborative practice management platform built specifically for accounting firms and professional service teams. Instead of juggling endless apps, Carbon brings email, tasks, workflows, and client communication together in one unified place. It's designed to give accountants full visibility across their practice, ensure teams never miss deadlines, and help firms deliver an exceptional client experience. What makes Carbon powerful is how it integrates seamlessly into an accountant's daily workflow. Emails become tasks, deadlines are visible to everyone, and recurring jobs like tax returns or monthly bookkeeping can be standardized and automated. In other words, Carbon doesn't just keep your firm organized, it helps you scale efficiently without adding extra admin work. In this video, we'll walk through the key features of Carbon, explain why it's an excellent choice for accountants and firms looking to modernize their operations in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the collaborative email management. Carbon transforms how accountants handle email. Instead of inboxes being private silos, emails can be shared with the team, assigned as tasks, and tracked alongside client workflows. You can even add comments within an email thread, keeping internal discussions separate from email or from client communication. This eliminates the chaos of endless email forwarding and ensures no client request slips through the cracks. Teams gain visibility into every conversation, making collaboration smoother and more transparent. Another key feature is the workflow automation and templates. Carbon allows firms to create standardized workflows for recurring jobs like tax returns, audits, or monthly reconciliations. These workflows include predefined tasks, deadlines, and client touchpoints. Automation features can assign tasks to team members, set reminders, and ensure that deadlines are never missed. Standardizing processes improves efficiency and reduces errors. Instead of reinventing the wheel for every client, teams can deliver consistent, high quality service at scale while freeing up time for more valuable work. Another key feature is the integrated task and project management. Within Carbon, every email, client request, or internal project can be turned into a task. Tasks are organized into timelines, filtered by priority, and easily assigned to specific team members. Managers can see what everyone is working on and reallocate work when needed. This creates complete visibility across the firm. Work is distributed more evenly, bottlenecks are reduced, and accountability is built into the system. Teams stay aligned even during the busiest seasons. Another key feature is the client collaboration tools. Carbon includes features for client requests, document sharing, and secure messaging. Instead of chasing document via email, accountants can send clients a checklist of items to upload directly into Carbon. This improves the client experience while reducing back and forth communication. Clients get a smoother, more professional process, and accountants save hours chasing missing information. Another key feature is the powerful reporting and analytics. Karbon provides firm-wide insights into workload, deadlines, and productivity. Managers can see which jobs are on track, which clients need attention, and how the team is performing against key metrics. Reports can be customized to track capacity planning, turnaround times, or profitability. With data-driven insights, firms can make smarter decisions about staffing, client management, and operations. This helps firms scale effectively, deliver work on time, and keep both employees and clients satisfied. So why is Carbon a great choice? Carbon is a standout platform for accountants because it's designed with the realities of firm life in mind. Instead of being a generic project management tool, it understands the complexities of client deadlines, recurring jobs, and heavy email communication that define the accounting industry. For teams, Carbon removes the guesswork of who's doing what and keeps everyone aligned around shared priorities. For firm leaders, it delivers visibility and control, allowing them to track progress, spot bottlenecks, and make strategic adjustments in real time. And for clients, it creates a seamless experience where communication and requests are handled in one secure place. In 2025, as accounting firms face growing demands for efficiency and responsiveness, Carbon remains one of the most effective ways to modernize operations, reduce administrative overhead, and create more time for value-added advisory services. So basically, Carbon is more than just a task manager. It's a complete workflow and practice management system designed specifically for accounting professionals. So if your accounting firm is ready to reduce email overload, improve teamwork, and build stronger client relationships, Carbon is a platform worth adopting. It empowers teams to stay organized, meet every deadline, and focus on delivering value instead of chasing paperwork. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.